morning children, hope you all are doing well. I am teacher Ashwini Bhatt and I am going to teach English for class 2. Children, we all love going to the park, don't we? But do we like to go to a dirty park? Surely not. We all love going to a clean park. But have you wondered who keeps the park clean? He is the park keeper. The park keeper is a person who keeps the park clean. And the first lesson today in English is about Partho the park keeper. Partho was a park keeper. He worked with 5 other men to keep the park clean. In the first picture, we can see Partho and his team. A team is a group of people who work together. So they all work together to keep the park clean. When you work together, the job also becomes easier and you enjoy the job. Now, Partho was a very kind man. He loved his job. He did not like to tell the visitors and the children to go away from the park. He loved children coming to the park, so he kept the park closed only once a year. But this time they decided to keep the park closed on a weekend. What is a weekend? A weekend is a Saturday and Sunday. So this year they decided to keep the park closed for 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. Now early morning, Partho and all his men came to the park on Saturday, and what work they did, we will see. On Saturday in the morning, first they picked up the litter. What is litter? Litter is all the waste paper and bottles lying on the ground. They picked up the litter and they put them in large bags. Then they weeded the flower beds. What is weeded? Weeded means removing all the unwanted plants. So they weeded the flower beds and planted new seeds so that we get new plants. Then they trimmed the grass and hedges. What is trimming? Trimming is to cut the plant, the above part. So they trimmed the grass and hedges. Then the park always has swings, slides, seesaws, right? They scrubbed the swings, seesaws and slides and they cleaned it. And they repaired the broken merry-go-round. So all this work they did on a Saturday. You can see in the picture on the second page, page number 2, all the work they did, the work they are doing in the park. Now, the next day, that is on Sunday, they came back again. And what work they did on Sunday? They only painted the benches in the park. Now, they were very happy to see the clean park. They decided, now Partho told his men that they will put notices next to the benches saying wet paint, a board saying wet paint, and to warn the visitors not to sit on the benches as the paint is wet. They were so tired after painting the benches that they decided to have tea and snacks and then put up notices. And they sat on the bench, they sat and they started enjoying their tea and snacks. Now, can you see the last picture? See the last picture. What do you think has happened? When they stood up, their bags were all covered with paint. Now, they had decided to put up the wet notices and they themselves had forgotten. They sat on the benches and they had the tea and snacks. Now they Now what Partho said in the end? Oh no, said Partho. We should have put up the wet paint notices before we sat down. Everyone laughed. Hope you enjoyed this story, children. See you soon. Thank you.